In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your Uber Eats taxes using TurboTax. Filing taxes as an independent contractor can seem a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we're going to walk through each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident in filing your taxes correctly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the TurboTax online platform for the year 2025. Make sure you're on the correct version to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're there, you should see the option to log in or create an account if you haven't already done so. Having your account set up and ready to go is key to a smooth filing experience. Now, once you're logged in, look for the Income section. This is where you'll begin to input your earnings and navigate through various income-related forms. Click on this section to get started. After that, you'll want to locate the Wages and Income Summary page. This is essentially a hub that gives you a comprehensive overview of the income you'll need to report. Click on it to continue. Next, you'll find yourself needing to address self-employment income and expenses. As an Uber Eats driver, this is a crucial step because your income from Uber Eats is considered self-employment income. Click on this section and be ready to provide details of your income and any expenses you might have incurred while working. Here, you'll see an option labeled Revisit. Click on this to review or update any information about your self-employment income. It's a good idea to double-check everything here to ensure accuracy, making sure you've included all necessary details about your earnings and any deductions you're eligible for. At this point, you'll likely encounter a prompt asking if you want to continue with TurboTax's assistance. Simply click Yes to proceed. If your account hasn't been upgraded yet, you may be prompted to do so at this stage. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any necessary upgrades. These are important as they often provide additional support and resources for more complex tax situations like yours. And that's it. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to file your Uber Eats taxes using TurboTax. Remember, taking the time to carefully enter all your information can save you from potential headaches down the line. If you need further assistance, TurboTax offers numerous resources and customer support options, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Thank you for watching, and happy filing!